Today we will create a PowerPoint project with Morph Transition.
Join Prompt Infotech to learn 2D animation.
For ADCA, DCA, PGDCA, Tally Prime, and many more. For an inquiry, call the given number. First, we have to collect images for our animation. freepik.com is where users can browse and download free graphic resources, including vectors, stock photos, PSD files, icons, and fonts. Search for human sets in the search box and download the file you want. Now search for background for school and choose one. I had already downloaded my files. You may either use an online photo editor like Photopea to modify a human set image. Users who are used to Adobe Photoshop will find Photopea easy to use because of its similarities to Photoshop. Simply upload your photo and begin editing. Or use Adobe Photoshop, as I am doing in this instance. In Adobe Photoshop, choose Object Selection tool, select the required part, and click Layer via Copy. Now arrange both parts nicely together. And save file save via copy. Now open PowerPoint and begin the project by inserting the background. For that, go to Design tab, click Format Background, go to Picture Source, and click Insert. From the file location, select the image downloaded for this project. Now, it's time to bring character to the project with the simple drag and drop method. Increase the subject size, as I just want to show half of his body on this slide, and crop unwanted areas. Insert to trees, resize them, and place them for some animation purposes. Let's give some animation to a human character. So, go to Animation tab and choose the animation you like. I prefer Fly In, click Animation panel and choose After Previous in the Start option. If you need more effects, like sound and direction, click the arrow on Animation. In the Effect options, insert sound into the animation. Here character should say something. For that, I am using text-to-speech TTS converter. IO websites are online tools that allow you to convert text into audio. They are typically free to use, and they offer a variety of features, such as the ability to choose from different voices, languages, and accents. Here I am choosing English, India, in Prabhat voice over.
To learn 2D animation, join Prompt Infotech classes.
To learn 2D animation, join Prompt Infotech classes and can easily download file as MP3. As I've already converted all my files, now go to the Insert tab, Audio. Audio on my PC, select the file. Place the audio file above the slide so it will not be visible. Let's play the slide.
Join Prompt Infotech to learn 2D animation.
I wish to play dialogue from the beginning of the slide. As a result, place the audio file on top of the animation.
Join Prompt Infotech to learn 2D animation.
Create a new blank slide and format the background by inserting a classroom image. Character from slide 1 should be copied and pasted onto slide 2 for the morph animation. The morph transition can be used to create a smooth and visually appealing flow between slides. The morph transition can also be used to highlight important information and to create a more engaging presentation for the audience. Here is an example of how to use the morph transition.
Join Prompt Infotech to learn 2D animation.
Insert GIF image on right corner. Give some animation and set start in after previous. Insert text box and write ADCA, font size to 66 and the text color to white. Go to Animation tab and click Add Animation. The more entrance animations, choose with. Now insert voiceover and place it above slide. For ADCA, duplicate your second slide, bring character to the right side of the slide and GIF image to the left side. Change GIF image to round shape. Neatly place the character, go to Picture, Format Rotate, Flip Horizontal. Copy and paste your text to make a duplicate. Place the text on the board's right side. Smaller font size and a different color. Other than text animation, remove all animation from the components.
Join Prompt Infotech to learn 2D animation.
For ADCA,
Join Prompt Infotech to learn 2D animation.
for ADCA, DCA, The action should be repeated a few more times. And in this last slide, change and remove a few elements. We must stretch the image in order to make it appear closer. By going to the background format in the Design tab, Set offset left and right to -12%, as well as a -18% offset at the top and bottom. and many more. For an inquiry, call the given number.
Join Prompt Infotech to learn 2D animation.
For ADCA, DCA, PGDCA, Tally Prime, and many more. For an inquiry, call the given number.